Wel- Welcome to another interesting edition with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Trust you're doing very well out there. Okay, so if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for being a loyal subscriber. And if this is your first time of coming on board to view or learn something from our channel, I want to say thank you so very much for coming on board. Hope you're learning well. And please, if you've not subscribed, we'll encourage you to please just click on the red bell in front of you to get subscribed, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified each time we drop a new video. All right, so in this edition I want to teach us how to make a turban with a fascinator design or decoration on it. Okay, but we are focusing mainly on how to get the fascinator decoration because I want to believe a lot of us already know how to make a turban. Peradventure you don't know how to, it's no problem. We have a lot of turbans on our channel. You can just scroll through and you will find one to learn, or still we'll drop a link below for you to learn how to make a basic turban base or any kind of turban you deem fit. Okay, so straight to the business of the day. I want to introduce us rather to the materials we need to get the fascinator decoration done for our turban. Okay, and what are those things? We have our already made turban. As you can see, it's a pleated turban. Okay, pleated turban. We have a video titled how to make a pleated turban on Fashion Boss channel. You can just scroll through our videos and you will see how we made this, or still I'll swear drop a link on the comment section below for you to learn how we achieve this. Okay, I have my feathers. This is called fan feathers. All right, I have my roses. Okay, I have this loop seemingly, so I'm going to show us how I achieved that. I have my leaf. Okay, I made it from Sinamay. I'm also going to show us how I achieve this leaf, or how I made it. There's a lot of things for you to learn in this class. Okay, I have my crinoline. I have my tape rule. I have my scissors, and then I have my wool gum. I also have my hot glue gun as well. Okay, all right, so to start with, I will show us how we achieve this, or how I achieve this. You get a piece of fabric. Okay, you get a piece of fabric. This one is measuring 3.5 inches, right? And the length is in no particular order. It depends on how long you want your loop to be, in no particular order. Okay, but for the benefit and purpose of this class, let me just show you what I have here. What I have here is 9.5 inches. Okay, 9.5 inches. All right, like I said earlier, it is in no particular order. It depends on how you want your loop, how long you want your loop to be. Okay, but for me, this length is fine by me, given what we are trying to achieve. Okay, so the 3.5 inches I said earlier, it's on fold. All right, on fold, it means when you open it, it becomes 7 inches. I also want to believe that by now a lot of us should understand what we mean by on fold. When a fabric is on fold, it means when it is folded into two. Yes, when it is folded into two. Okay, so after getting your acquired, yes, thank you, after getting your required measurements, you just take it to your sewing machine and run a straight stitch on it. Okay, you run a straight stitch on it, and then you turn it inside out this way. Okay, You turn it inside out this way. Don't forget, I'm teaching us how I came about this. Okay, I haven't turned it inside out. You get your crinoline. Okay, and then you insert it into it this way. Right, you trim off the excesses. Okay, and then you fold it. As you can see or notice, I'm having the seam parts on the middle. All right, so you fold it this way, and then you tack this end. It's either you tack it, you use your thread to tie it, just look for a way to secure it. That's how I achieved this. I came about this. Okay, as you can see, this one I made now is looking very puffy. I've done this for a while, that's why it's looking, it's not as puffy as this. Okay, all right, I'm sure you've learned this. Okay, so let me show you how I achieved my Sinamay leaf. All right, so I said I want to show us how I achieve my Sinamay leaf. Right, I grabbed a piece of Sinamay. Okay, with a 4-corner shape or a rectangle, because the length is longer than the breadth, or the width rather, so it's a rectangle. Okay, I just grab it. Like I always say in most of some of those things, is creativity, and I will say in no particular order. It all depends on how big you want your leaf to be. Hope you understand what that means. So, but you make sure that you have it in rectangle. There are different ways to go about achieving a leaf. It's either you trace something on a sheet or on a plain sheet, on a cardboard paper, a drawing book. You trace it out with your scissors and then place it on your Sinamay and then trace it out to get a leaf. Or you can go this way. I haven't gotten your rectangular shape on your Sinamay or whatsoever fabric you want to use. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll just trim like this. Okay, right, I trimmed like this. We have a leaf already. Okay, hope you grabbed. You see how penciled the tip or the mouth is. Okay, so I did that, and then I got my bias. Okay, I got my bias. I applied my wool gum. This is the wool gum. I applied my wool gum and then I tape the edge of my leaf this way. Okay, everything round. That's how I achieved this. Hope you've also learned this as well. Good. All right, so the next thing for us to do, haven't known or gotten how we achieve all of this stuff we're gonna use to decorate. I got a piece of fabric and then I made it in, I cut it out in a circular shape. I'm sure you can cut this out you don't need any lecture on how to cut this. Okay, so I'll just place it this way. You have to be creative about it. Okay, and then I'll start arranging my loop on it this way, like this. I'll start arranging my loop. You can directly arrange your loop on your turban this way. Okay, you can directly arrange it on your turban this way, but I don't want to do that. I want to first of all arrange it here. Okay, and then I'll tack it to my turban. Okay, so I'm properly precised. Okay, I want to arrange it on this first. Please give me the glue gun. So I'll just arrange it like this way and glue it. Okay, arrange and glue. All right, so as you can see, we've glued this. It's secured already. There is no fast and hard rule about it. You just get creative about it. At this point, you just start adding whatsoever you want to add and howsoever you want to add it. Hope you understand. And then when you are done adding, you just raise it and place it on your turban wherever you want it to be. That's the reason why I needed us to add that base to it. Arrange it on the base. Okay, so you just place it wherever you want it, however you want it. Okay, you just arrange and arrange, and that is it. All right guys, the important thing is knowing how to do the leaf and these loops. Okay, when you are done, you have your feathers. You just spin it, you know, into different points wherever you want, however you want. Like my watchword, I'll always say, get creative about it. No hard and fast rule. You've known the basics. An idea is all you require. Okay, an idea is all you require. This is how to the leaf. After, when you want to use it, you just fold it like this. Okay, use your glue gun to hold it and it will stay, and then you're good. Okay, so you just place it here however you want it. You have your feathers, okay, and so on. Whatever you want to add to it, like I have this roses here, however you want to do it. Okay, and you are good to go. All right, so if you know this class has been of any use to you, please don't forget, if you have any question, you have any confusing part you don't understand, don't hesitate to drop a question on the comment section below. Okay, I will respond as soon as possible. All right, okay, so if you know this class has been of any help to you, kindly like, subscribe, share, comment, give us a thumbs up, and don't stop practicing, because in practicing lies your perfection. Okay, so see you in our next video. Bye for now.